Hello and welcome. I'm going to be showing out how to access our Waec past questions on our YouTube channel. And the simple way you can get about doing this is by getting to YouTube and typing in the search column Tclassified.com. Once you type there and you click on the Tclassify link, you're going to be linked to this very channel. And this is the channel. So the next thing you do is that you come here, click on videos, and once you're on videos, click on this search bar. So in this search bar, you can simply type Waec if you're looking for 2018, and if you're looking for chemistry, you can say Waec 2018 chemistry past questions and answers. So once you press the enter key, you're going to be led. You see, this is 2018 chemistry past question for Waec. So the same way, if you're looking for physics or any subject, so even if you remove this chemistry, that means you're going to see all the past questions for different years. So if you keep scrolling, you're going to see this chemistry, these are mathematics, this physics. So we've covered most of the years that you need in order for you to prepare. So just get to the YouTube channel Tclassified.com, then click on videos, then click on the search. The search I'm talking about is the search that is already in the channel. So there you're going to see all the Waec past questions that you need. And very importantly, here you can see this link to Educate Africans. You click on this link, it's going to lead you to our platform. And this our platform is where students are practicing for their Waec exams. So you should be here. Once you're here, the first thing you do is that you go to this student registration, click on it and fill it out and get logged in. That is only when you can access the videos. So you can see the various subjects: Christian religious knowledge, literature, commerce. You can also come up here and click on all courses. So when you click on all courses, you're going to be exposed to all the various courses that we have. Then you pick out the subjects that are of interest to you. So in these, we have both the video tutorials, the quizzes that are from your past questions, both JAMB and Waec, and the quiz explanation, which is how we solved those problems. So it's very, very important that you know about this. So you can see these are other subjects: English, biology, government, physics, chemistry, and the rest. So let's take an instance of these physics. We'll click on it. So it's going to open up the physics class. But like I said, if you're not registered as a student, you might not be able to access the videos. So I'm going to scroll down now and get this opened. Okay, so you can see the various classes. So you can see this is according to your Waec and JAMB syllabus. So this is under Introduction to Physics. So once you click on it, you see the elements of this. This is Introduction to Physics, having the video and the explanation. This is the quiz explanation, having your past question problems that are related to the topic measurement solved. So the same way you go to dimension and you go to other topics. So the platform is seriously, we are constantly working and updating this platform, specifically for you to read with and practice and pass your jam. Okay. So once it opens up, you're gonna see the video, and you're gonna also have the textual part of the lectures. So you can watch the video or you can follow the textual parts to read. Then after which you're supposed to practice the past questions. Very, very important. And if you have any questions, you can drop them on the Q&A. You can see this place we have browse Q&A. So once you click there, you can drop any question that you have, and from here we can see the question. So you can see this is the video on Introduction to Physics. You can see physics is a pure science that deals with behaviors of matter and energy and how it relates to physical quantities. So if you play this video, you're going to see the class as if you're in class. And if you scroll down, you see the textual part of it, also explaining the same thing that is in the video: the units, derived and fundamental quantities, and the rest. So once you're done with reading, the next thing will be to try out the quiz and the quiz explanation. So when you click on this quick explanation now, it's going to open up similar questions on this topic that we have from Waec and JAM that we already solved for you. So you look at the way they are solved, you learn from them. You can see them handwritten, JAM 2017 physics. So it keeps rolling. You can see the ones from Waec and the rest. So that is how you use this our website. Very, very important website. So if you click back on the home page, you're going to see a lot of materials and resources that you need for you to pass. This is the life changer summary for those people writing JAM, use of English, the JAM syllables. Very soon we're going to be updating the Waec syllables when it comes out, the Waec timetable, the CBT for Android. We also have the Waec CBT. We're going to be updating it. If you need our flash that has our lectures and past questions, you can call this my number so that you can get it. So you see that everything you need is here. Like I said, for you to access the videos, you need to have clicked on students registration, fill out your information and get logged in. It's only then that you can access the videos that are on this channel. So when you scroll down, you're going to also get other information under the blog that you need in order for you to follow up as a student. So if you have any questions and concerns, you can drop them in the comment section. Call my phone number. This is my phone number. You can always get to me. +234 70 671 62698. If you have any further questions, you can chat me up on WhatsApp. Once you're on this our platform, this WhatsApp icon here, once you click on it, if you're using your phone to access this platform, you can start chatting me immediately. So ask any relevant question that can help you in using this platform to effectively practice for your JAM. So remember the YouTube channel is Tclassified.com. This is it here. All the past questions that you need, they are already there. Just type in the search column the subject you want with the year. You're going to see them. This is chemistry. Keep scrolling down. You're going to see other subjects depending on the subject that you want. So we have it for all the subjects. So if I just say Waec past questions alone, so I'm going to see now all the subjects, no matter the year. This is physics, and this is geography. Scroll down. This is economics. This is biology. This is government, CRS, all the past agri science. Worked on all of them for you. So use them, and if you like them, make sure you always give it a thumbs up. Click the like button, share them to your friends so that they can see them and use them. So thank you, and ensure that you're preparing. Make sure you're studying the last 5 consecutive years of the subjects you're doing. That is the secret to getting very high score in your Waec, making A1s. Study the past 5 years of that very subject. The five most recent past question and answer. It's very, very important. So sort it out and get ready for your exams. Uh, See you when I see you. Thank you.